Hey guys, we are gonna put this valve stem into here and connect it to here, then put all of that combined in here, and then pump this to 100 pounds and shoot it with the BB gun and try to make it blow up.
Yeah, so the first thing we have to do is put this valve stem into this bottle. It'll just about perfectly fit. With a little effort. Like that. Then we put this cap on here. Now we're going to hook it this pump. And I'm going to pump it up. I'm going to pump it up to 100 psi. All right, Sawyer, you ready?
Yeah.
There's 50. There's 60. 70. 80. 90. There's a little bit over 100. So here's Sawyer getting ready to shoot the bottle. He's pumping that pellet gun up.
1, 2, 3. Whoa!
1, 2, 3. Whoa!
Hey guys, this is what it looks like when we blew it up. And it landed this close to us, it almost hit us. If you liked anything in this video, make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell to all, and hit the like button.